Hi everyone, it's me, Corrie Sommers, your local Los Angeles Realtor. Today I'm sitting down with a local Toluca Lake business, Tigran, and we're going to talk about his company, what he does, and all the amazing things that he can offer you. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, take a moment to click the subscribe button and that bell below. We'll be right back. It's me, Corrie Sommers, your local Los Angeles Realtor. I am here with Toluca Lake Chamber member Tigran, and you have a business with Allstate Insurance, correct?
Yes, we do.
Awesome. So what I want to get into is just a little bit, share about your business. What areas do you guys focus on? Where do you serve? What benefit is there for everybody out there?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. Thanks to the Toluca Chamber. We are located pretty much the heart of Toluca Lake, Riverside and Foreman, Ramsey Shilling building, the brick building, everybody knows, second floor, suite 200. We serve all of California, so it's not just one location. We are licensed the entire California state. However, our primary is Toluca Lake and the neighboring cities, okay. Definitely, yeah. What we do is we provide property and casualty insurance under Allstate's umbrella, meaning that we provide what Allstate has to offer. We're an authorized retailer with them, an authorized agent. We have auto, condo, home, renters, the regular insurance that you can get. We do business as well, we do life as well. So yeah, all of it. We don't do health, we're not focused with that, just property and casualty majority.
Okay, so it's a pretty broad scope of products. I know sometimes I don't do a lot of leases. I focus on selling homes, representing sellers and buyers. But there are times when there are leases, and absolutely everybody wants the property insured both in the renter's name as well as the owner's name.
Definitely,
and is there a reason that that's so important? Maybe you could share that with everyone.
Yeah, so that's renter's insurance, and a lot of the landlords nowadays do require their tenants to have that. It's extra safety for the landlord, so that way it doesn't fall immediately on them if something was to happen. There'd be the renter's insurance that would kick in first, and then if necessary, if it's a bigger claim, then the landlord obviously has their own policies in force. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because the first time I saw that, I was like, okay, that's different.
Yeah, it's very affordable. I don't want to call it cheap because it's not cheap. It's affordable. You can get it within anywhere from $15 to $20, and it can roughly give you about $15,000 in protection, $100,000 in liability, it's a very easy process. It takes a few minutes. We just get your address, your information, and that's it.
Yeah, that is pretty affordable compared to other bills. What other areas do you find a lot of your business in? Because you did mention a broad scope: homeowners insurance, car insurance, definitely. Life insurance.
Yeah, so let me start with the popular ones in our industry. It's auto, home, condo, and renters. Those are the popular ones. Business we're not primarily focused on business. There's some agencies that are just doing business, or they have a business rep handling that. Right. We don't have business. If it comes our way, we'll help them out. We're knowledgeable. We're certified in that, definitely. But auto, home, condo, renters is what we focus on. So our prime customers are excuse me. Our prime customers are the ones that have a clean driving record, first of all. Allstate doesn't really like if you have a few things on your record.
I used to. I'm much better now.
So yeah, you want to make sure. We like the responsible drivers.
Yeah, I used to have a lead foot. I've gotten way better.
But yeah, auto, we're very competitive. There's, especially nowadays, there's a lot of laws and regulations in place due to the fact that Department of Insurance has actually blocked their rate increase department. So with all these claims happening, the insurance companies are filing for rate increases. However, there's nothing happening because it's blocked. So what the insurance companies are doing are restricting the amount of new business we can take on. Such as home insurance, we just had to recently cut back on about 1,000 zips. But at the end of the day, we're still out there. We are able to help them out.
Is that something you're allowed to do? Kind of eliminate a segment?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, and it's not just Allstate; it's everybody. There's companies out there that are actually affecting their renewal clients. So what does that mean by a renewal client? If you sign up with me, right, and I get your policy going, and your 6 months comes up and you need to renew, I don't want to throw anybody under the bus, but Wawanese is the most recent one that did this. If you're an existing client with them and if you want to renew, they will force you to pay the entire premium up front.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so everybody's, doing some sort of restriction just to offset the amount of claims that they're having. But it is interesting times we're going through right now, so we'll survive. We'll be fine.
Yeah, I feel like kind of COVID threw a lot of businesses for a big loop. A lot of the retail businesses, commercial, real estate, all that really got hit the hardest. Restaurants, but it has impacted other businesses. I mean, for real estate, it boosted because everyone got really concerned about I need a place to live, and now I have to work from home, and your needs changed, and those things, but. It's definitely impacted other businesses, huh?
It's definitely impacted, yeah. Throughout the entire spectrum, everybody's gotten affected. At the end of the day, insurance is still a necessity. It's not a luxury. There are a lot of people that can hold off on purchasing properties, but they can't hold off on having insurance.
Sure.
So the good thing about us is since we are with Allstate, when was 1931, I believe?
Okay.
Check my knowledge. Get back to me on that one. I think 1931 was the first Allstate when Allstate was founded.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how many years is that? That's a lot of years. So we have a lot of
It's not quite 100. It's like 90.
Isn't it over 100?
No, because we're in 2022.
31, 22.
So it's 90.
Okay.
Yeah, like 91.
Point is, we know what we're doing as a company. Even if we make some sort of changes, we're still going to be able to service our clients. Even new business clients, we'll still take you on. Believe me, there's a lot of companies that are doing much worse out there. But yeah, and as far as us, we have decade plus insurance experience in this agency. There are also tons of other agencies. I have no competition with anyone else. I know one of our chamber members, Eric.
Yes.
He's actually not a member. He's
our vice president, and he's with Farmers, and he's also an independent agent. But Eric does focus, I think, a lot on, and there's a video out here for you guys to learn more about Eric as well. But he does focus a lot on business insurance for businesses, as well as homeowners insurance and people that own multifamilies. That's kind of more his niche.
People want it to be a competition all the time, but honestly, there are so many residents throughout the entire state of California that
there's enough business to go around.
There's way enough business to go around. So when I first introduced myself and Eric was there, I told him it's not a competition. We'll help each other out. Okay. If I come across a business that I can't write, I'll refer it to him. And if he's primarily focused on that, he'll do it the other way around with all the other policies.
Absolutely.
So we always help each other out, and especially Toluca. Like if you're from Toluca, we love the city, we love the neighborhood, we love the restaurants here, we love the people here. I'm not personally from Toluca, however, I'm a neighboring zip, which is North Hollywood. I've been in North Hollywood since '99, which is when I moved here actually. I wasn't born here, by the way.
Okay.
I'm from Armenia, Our roots go back to Armenia.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little background history.
Hence the unique, wonderful name.
Yes, Tigran.
Yes, no, it reminds me of Star Trek Tiberius. What is it, Captain James Tiberius Kirk? Such a cool name.
I haven't watched Star Trek, sorry.
Oh gosh, okay, so I'm dating myself. So if you were a Trekkie or ever saw Star Trek the movies or like the reruns, Captain Tiberius Kirk. Anyways, that said, so you mentioned Toluca Lake restaurants.
Yes.
We do have a lot of great ones. What's one of your favorites?
Oh, there's a bunch. We eat from a lot of places. We have the sushi joint right across from us, Kabosu. We love that place. If I don't remember the names, I'm sorry, but I get a prosciutto sandwich from, what is this place across the street? Sweet Salt?
Yes. Oh, they're so good.
Like I said, sorry, I don't know the restaurant name, but their prosciutto sandwich is really awesome. Fig and prosciutto, that's what it is, what else is down there? We've been to Foreman's, the Argentinian Malbec grill.
You like them?
Oh my God, they have a dessert. To die for. I'm not gonna say what the dessert is.
No, share it. Other people might
I don't
try.
know what the name is.
Oh, jeez. Is it chocolate?
No, it's not. I think it's crepes. Yeah, I think it's crepes.
Like a crepe? No? Okay.
But we'll find it. We'll let it.
I'll put the information below his favorite dessert so you all can try it out.
Yeah.
Do you get to walk around the little strip very much at all?
Yeah, I do sometimes. Yeah, whenever we have off time, and then also doctor recommendations to walk around, get exercise. Since I'm sitting down then the whole day. Yeah. So we do. Yeah, we do walk around. I actually love to drive around sometimes and look at the houses, and when I do that, it's like sets a goal in myself. Yeah. It inspires me to one day actually. Hopefully, if I can afford one right by the lake. I'm coming. I'm coming, by the way. One of these days you'll hear it. I'm going to be one of the owners in one of the lakes.
I will help you.
I'm going to buy
I've shown some of the lake homes.
I guarantee you one day I'm going to buy one. One day I'm going to be that rich. There's actually a lottery ticket that I'm waiting for tonight. Yeah, so lake house, I'm coming for you.
Yeah, definitely the homes on the lakes are probably an inspiration for almost all of us.
Yeah.
They, serene, the water, all of that wonderful things that you can't see and enjoy unless you live on the lake.
Yeah.
Some wonderful folks that live on the lake too. So apart from that, so your business is here in Toluca Lake. Was there any particular reason why you guys chose Toluca Lake?
Well, we weren't originally in Toluca Lake. We were actually in Sun Valley. We decided that we wanted to move out. Allstate helped us because what Allstate likes to do is they like to look at the zip codes and they like to give us information as far as where it's understaffed. What does that mean by understaffed? Where there's a need for an agency, in other words. And Toluca Lake, I'm actually we're at the only Allstate agency in Toluca Lake.
Okay.
There's a few in North Hollywood, might be close by, but in Toluca Lake we're the only one. And it was an easy pick, I'm not gonna lie. It was either Toluca Lake, Northridge, Granada Hills, or Studio City.
Yeah, I can see the appeal.
Toluca Lake, 100% Toluca Lake, yeah.
Awesome.
And also when I found this place, it was it's a beautiful office.
Yeah. Yeah, it is, and it's so funny. Just so as a point of reference for those of you that are familiar with Toluca Lake, there is a farmers market every Sunday, which happens to be in the parking lot behind the parking lot for Wells Fargo. So you have Ramsey Shilling and all the offices upstairs from Ramsey Shilling, which includes where we're at right now. And then next door is Wells Fargo, and so again Sundays 9:30 to 2:30. There's the farmers market.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've been, but it's a nice one.
No, I've been there. Yeah, I've been there a few times. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, some great guys run it.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you for taking the time to sit down with me. We love all of our businesses here in Toluca Lake, and I think it's really important that people get a chance to kind of connect a face with the business so that they can make a decision on who they want to work with.
Yeah, reach out to us. I'm sure we'll include all the information.
All information below.
Whenever I hire new employees, I like to train them so when they're talking to clients, they can let the client be comfortable with the fact that I'm not selling them anything out of the ordinary, something new, something random. Everybody almost has insurance. There's a lot of people that aren't insured and they're never going to get insurance. That's fine, but whoever has insurance, all I'm trying to do is possibly get you a better price. So reach out to us. If we don't, there's no obligation to sign up to switch over. You just stay with your carrier and you go on with your lower rates.
All right, so if you are shopping insurance on any of the types of insurances that we've talked today, and maybe you just need an extra quote, maybe you're trying to decide, is there a difference between policy coverages? It's great to talk to more than one rep and see what's the best fit for you. So thank you again so much. Appreciate it. All contact information is below to reach out to Tigran and his agency here in Toluca Lake. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look forward to sharing another business with you soon. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.